Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. Today I have a Walmart beauty box unboxing for you guys. Why do I have two, you may ask? I do not know, but let's get into this unboxing. So I have two Walmart beauty boxes. I don't know why. Literally this morning I was checking my email before I got out of bed to get ready for work, and it said that my shipping confirmation for my Walmart beauty box has been made and that they were out for delivery. Like, I got all those emails in the same day. But one of them says it's a special edition. Are these two of the same boxes? Is one different? I don't know. We're gonna see. Alright, so this is box number one. It is stuffed to the brim. Okay. First, we got a CoverGirl mascara, and this is their Simply Ageless Lash Plumping Mascara in black. Next is this No Bump Shave Gel from Completely Bare. A Cetaphil Healing Ointment. Two liquid IVs in Tangerine, which I could have used these after Christmas and New Year's. Thayer's Toner in Cucumber. A satin pillowcase from Heritage. So this box is the exact same box, so I'll be doing a giveaway for you guys. I will have a Gleam link in the description box. So my giveaway rules are going to be just follow the Gleam link, make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, and if follow me on TikTok is an option, follow me on TikTok too, and make sure you're from the US, and yeah. And I will have giveaway dates on the screen because I don't know when I'm going to upload this yet. And I will also have all the rules in the description and in the comments. And that is it for today's video. If you liked it, please give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. Let me know what videos you want to see in the future. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.